ENGWE EP-2.30 Foldable Electric Bike, the silent game changer built for real commuters.
Most people who buy an e-bike never talk about the part that quietly breaks them. Not the riding, the everything else. The hauling it up 3 flights of stairs, the garage it barely fits, the parking spot it eats alive every single day. You bought the bike for freedom, and somehow it started feeling like one more thing to manage. That is the hidden cost nobody lists on the product page. It is not the price you paid. It is the friction that accumulates every morning before you even leave the house. So here is the honest question worth sitting with today. What if the bike you bought was never designed for the life you actually live? The damage is slow. It starts with convenience. You skip a ride because loading the bike feels like a production. Then it becomes habit. Then the bike sits unused 3 days a week, 4 days, then most of the month. Meanwhile, the commute you were supposed to solve is still draining you. Time lost, money still leaking into transport you swore you would replace. Energy spent on a system that was supposed to save energy. There is a suffocating irony in owning something designed for freedom that makes daily life feel heavier. And somewhere underneath all of that is a version of this where the bike just works, where storing it takes seconds, not strategy, where it folds flat and disappears until you need it. That version exists, and it is much closer than most people realize. This is where the ENGWE EP-2 3.0 foldable electric bike enters, and everything changes. It is a folding fat tire e-bike built so that portability and performance stop being a trade-off. Don't just pick any foldable electric bike. Make sure it has a torque sensor and hydraulic brakes so you never feel that sluggish, jerky, white-knuckle ride that cheap folding commuters are famous for delivering. First, quiet superpower, the 1,500-watt peak motor with 90 newton-meters of torque climbs hills that would stall most folding bikes without drama. Second, the torque sensor reads your actual pedaling effort and responds in real time, so riding feels natural, not mechanical. Third, the 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery charges fully in about 2 hours with the fast charger included, which means overnight waiting is no longer part of your routine. Fourth, the 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires and full suspension absorb whatever the road throws at you. Fifth, app-connected anti-theft monitoring means you stop worrying the moment you park it. Sixth, the folding frame fits a car trunk, an RV, or a flat corner without negotiation. And yes, I tested this myself on a mixed urban and gravel route. Nobody talks about the torque sensitivity adjustment in the app, but that single setting changes the entire feel of the ride. Here is how the result actually stacks. Day 1, you feel the difference in the first hill. Week 1, your commute becomes something you look forward to rather than endure. Long term, you stop paying for transport you no longer need. One verified user covered over 100 miles in the first month alone and reported they were still very satisfied with range and performance. Another said the hydraulic brakes felt genuinely safe and responsive in city traffic, which is not something people say about budget folding bikes. Practical e-biker called the torque sensor a massive improvement and said it turns the bike into a much better version of itself. The 2-hour fast charging is also recognized by industry analysts as best in class for a 48-volt system in this category. I noticed this. After 3 weeks, the morning decision to ride stopped requiring motivation entirely. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for range, 2 for the smart security system, 3 for the charging speed. The ENGWE EP-2 3.0 foldable electric bike gives you the rare thing, a folding e-bike that actually performs like a real one. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire daily commute without sacrificing a single square foot of living space. If you have been waiting for a version of this that works in your actual life, this is it. Link in the description, first one pinned to the top. Go have a look, take your time, and decide. You already know this makes sense.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.